I'm a boxer in the Navy. You see me around with the same lady. Like to dress in three-piece suits. And I grew up in Ohio. Tending farm is my bio. I'll be back there in a few weeks. We will learn what it takes a man to kill another man. Not here in this battlefield, in a foreign land. And I will not die to live forever. I'm a boxer in the Navy. You see me around and say, how long till you're free? And I grew up in Ohio. Wouldn't put it on my bio. I'll be back there in 2 weeks. We will learn what it takes a man to kill another man. In my eyes I've got no choice. It's just God's plan. And I cannot die with friends like these.